Constructing sentences in Spanish, a guide for beginners. When you're starting to learn Spanish, it's helpful to understand how to construct simple sentences. Here's a step-by-step explanation. 1. Subject plus verb plus complement. The basic structure of a sentence in Spanish is subject plus verb plus complement. The subject is the person or thing performing the action, the verb describes the action, and the complement gives more information about the action. Example.
Yo.
Subject.
Compro.
Verb.
Un libro.
Complement. I buy a book. 2. The subject. In Spanish, the subject is usually a person, animal, or thing that does or receives the action of the verb. You can use pronouns, like
Yo. Tú. Él. Ella. Nosotros. Nosotras. Vosotros. Vosotras. Ellos. Ellas.
or nouns. Example with pronoun.
Ella lee un libro.
She reads a book.
Ella.
Subject. Example with noun.
Juan juega al fútbol.
Juan plays football.
Juan.
Subject. 3. The verb. The verb is what the subject does. Verbs in Spanish are conjugated depending on the person, the tense, present, past, future, and the mood, indicative, subjunctive, imperative. For now, we'll focus on the present tense. Example.
Hablar.
Infinitive verb. Conjugated in the present.
Yo hablo.
I speak.
Tú hablas.
You speak.
Él o ella habla.
He, she, speaks.
Nosotros, nosotras, hablamos.
We speak.
Vosotros, vosotras, habláis.
You speak.
Ellos, ellas, hablan.
They speak. 4. The complement. The complement can be a person, thing, place, or additional information that completes the verb. It could be a noun, adjective, or even a preposition. Example.
Yo.
Subject.
Estudio.
Verb.
Español.
Complement. I study Spanish. 5. Word order. In Spanish, word order is flexible, but it typically follows the subject plus verb plus complement structure. However, sometimes you can change the order for emphasis or stylistic reasons. Example.
Juan está en casa.
Juan is at home. Subject plus verb plus complement.
En casa está Juan.
At home is Juan. Complement plus verb plus subject, for emphasis. 6. Questions and negations. To ask a question, we usually invert the subject and verb or add an interrogative word.
¿Qué? ¿Cómo? ¿Dónde? Etc.
What, how, where, etc. Example of a question.
¿Tú hablas español?
Do you speak Spanish?
¿Dónde vives?
Where do you live? To negate a sentence, we add the word no before the verb. Example of negation.
Yo no hablo español.
I don't speak Spanish. Summary of steps to construct sentences. Identify the subject, who or what is doing the action. Use the verb in the correct form. Add a complement to give more details about the action. Remember, you can ask questions or negate sentences with question marks and no, respectively. Practicing is key. You can start by creating simple sentences and gradually add more details as you learn more vocabulary and grammar. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you can get more Spanish tips every day.